am a billionaire. Money comes to me with ease. I am open to receiving abundance. I attract wealth in every area of my life. Opportunities flow to me effortlessly. I am worthy of prosperity. I am grateful for every blessing. I see wealth everywhere around me. I am confident in my financial growth. Money comes to me with ease. I enjoy the freedom that wealth brings. I am a magnet for success. Abundance surrounds me every day. I am calm and happy with my prosperity. I deserve all the riches of the world. I handle money wisely and joyfully. I am open to receiving abundance. I am aligned with the energy of wealth. My life is full of luxury and comfort. I attract multiple streams of income. I am thankful for financial security. Every day I grow richer and stronger. I am open to new opportunities for wealth. I celebrate every success, big and small. I am grateful for the abundance I already have. I release all fears about money. I am creating a life of endless prosperity. I trust that money finds me always. I am abundant, I am wealthy, I am free. I attract wealth. I am surrounded by luxury and joy. Money flows freely to me. I enjoy my wealth and share it freely. I attract wealth. Abundance surrounds me every day. I am at peace with my financial growth. I enjoy the gifts of light. Wealth is all around me. I feel rich in every way. Luxury feels familiar to me. Abundance fills every corner. Joy and prosperity meet me. Money comes to me with ease. I am a billionaire. Amen.